Previously,
done.
It is now day 18 and this is what the transformation looks like today. The storage area now looks like a storage area.
So here we got some of the upright boards put in to hold the front wall solid against the wind. When you're driving, you don't want the wind pushing against the front to bend in. Here we have the roof framework put in around the safety hatch.
We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Today I will be working on painting all the edges of the walls, which is definitely the tedious part of all the painting. The camper is going to be white and black and have some orange curtains, the ones that came with the camper. These are what all the curtains look like. Someone did a pretty good job of sewing them. They all match. I think I'm gonna keep them, which are now clean. Hopefully it does not look too much like Halloween. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting our channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you want to see the entire build, I will leave the link in the description below for the playlist. It is now dark and I still have more edging to do. Every time I thought I was finished, I saw more. I will be spending tomorrow doing a second coat on everything I've done today. We have come a long way since day one.
We have a bumper installed. Most of the trim is done all the way around the top. We still have the bottom trim to do. This is the propane box. We're refreshing it. The front structure is in place. We're starting to get some flooring wood put down. It's all bolted to the frame of the trailer. Right there is where we're going to cut and make a lowered walkthrough. The roof is done. Needs insulation still. I think the angle is looking good on the front. Should cut the wind pretty nice. Slumber Queen. This trim is done along there. Those uprights are all bolted to the frame. These uprights are all in solid. Everything's attached to everything else. Nothing wiggles. The three-way fridge is back in. We've refreshed it. It's all painted inside there. And our bumper is installed.
The inside is looking pretty good from when I started. Inside the cupboards are done. Inside the drawer cubby is done. Still needs to be painted in there. That's all done, which is going to be storage. All done in the closet. Looking pretty good. Drawers are done.